Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Here chair conformation of cyclohexane with axial and equatorial bonds. This is cyclohexane ring structure and this is chair form. Now axial and equatorial. Axial bond represented by this color and equatorial bond represented by this color. This is axial bond that is up to the ring, to the chair structure. This is also axial bond. This is axial bond that is down. This is axial bond. This is axial bond and this is also axial bond. And this is equatorial bond. This is equatorial. This is chair conformation of cyclohexane. This is axial bond that is up to the plane. This is down. This is up. This is down. This is up and this is down. Now 1 2 axial geometry. This is up, this is down. This is so axial bond trans. 1 3 cis. 1 4 trans. 1 5 cis and 1 6 trans. Now this is also chair conformation of cyclohexane and these colors show equatorial bond. This is up, then this is down. This is down, so this is up. This is up, then this is down equatorial. This is down, then this is up equatorial. This is up axial, then this is down equatorial. This is down axial, then this is up equatorial. Now 1 2 axial geometry. 1 2 equatorial down up, this is trans. 1 3 cis. 1 4 trans. 1 5 cis. 1 6 trans. And here axial equatorial geometry. This is up and down. This is down and up. Here up axial, down equatorial, down axial, up equatorial, and here up axial and down equatorial. Here down axial and up equatorial. So 1 2 axial and equatorial. 1 axial up है और 2 का equatorial up. So this is cis. 1 3 1 up axial है और 3 का equatorial क्या है down. This is trans. 1 4 axial equatorial cis. 1 5 axial equatorial trans. And 1 6 axial and equatorial. 1 6 axial and equatorial. This is cis. So this is axial and equatorial geometry with cis and trans. What is cis and what is trans? Cis and trans क्या होते हैं? Cis when two groups on the same side of plane. This is cis on the same side of plane. Cis when two groups are on opposite side of plane, then this is trans. Same side and this is opposite side, this is trans.